Hello everyone, my name is Cam and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add in many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called Command Blocker. This plugin lets you block specific commands on your server. Starting out, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. After installing the plugin, restart and head into the config files. To get there, go to your server, click on the files drop down tab and click config files. You're looking for the file called command blocker config.yml. This plugin is very simple. Just put in the commands you don't want players to be able to use, click save and restart your server. It's that easy. If you have more questions or want to check out more features that this plugin has, I will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can incorporate the Command Blocker plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.